truck. We're on our way up the coast. Tunnel is closed this morning, so we had the privilege of coming up the old racetrack, Pennant Hills Road. Yeah, been a while since I've been up here. A little less traffic than I remember, but she's pretty good. Made it to the other end of Pennant Hills Road, and there's roadworks here. I'm assuming that he's just blocking off the North Connects entry. Oh no, it's blocking off the whole M1 entry, so we got to go up to Pacific Highway and get on there. No big deal. Maybe that's just to stop people getting into the tunnel itself. We've worked our way up the coast. We've done what we had to do up there. We are now on our way back. We are back, the sun's up and the rain's out. It has poured down most of the morning, so the truck's filthy. We're on site at the moment, so I'll get loaded and then I might do a walk around. Not here, but once we're out, might do a walk around, give you a gaze. And otherwise, yeah, we'll leave that here for now. I'm going to do some paperwork and then jump out of the truck and go and see what's going on. Well, there she is. We're loaded. It's fucking raining. And we're oversized. Got this big piece on here. We'll go for a drive in the rain and join all the other pelicans on the road. Maybe get a coffee on the way. Fucking need it, tell you that. But she looking sharpy. Well, there you go. It's not all glitz and glamour in the big smoke. I just had to change me fucking brand new spotter because I broke the cunt. Because I didn't grab my door, parked on a bit of a downhill here, and yeah, the door went wide open and smashed the fucking mirror. So now I've got my old one, the old Centimount on. What do you do? Not all glitz and glamour in the big smoke. we are done for the day. We're at home, just finishing off some paperwork, which I've done all that when I finished the day, my working day. Now that I'm at home, we start it all again for tomorrow. Within reason, just all our personal details we need to fill out. So that way in the morning we just got to put a start time down and we're good to just roll. First thing, just roll out, no dramas, no sitting here for 5 minutes filling shit out. Tomorrow will be Tuesday the 13th. Lovely. It goes back there. Hard hat. Your boots can come off. But yeah, overall pretty good day. Nice run up the coast this morning, and a little oversized there to finish the day off. So I do have an air blower, but I might use my other blower right now. Usually in the toolbox, but I've got it in here because I was blowing out a trailer. And it just works. So windows up, phone, lights off. Grab this camera, paperwork, last of the coffee. Clean that out later because we're gonna have to come back out and do some work soon. So there she is, done for the day. She's filthy. Do some more work on the truck. I need to take this fairing off here, a couple of bolts, I'll get that off. I need to get up into this U bracket in here that holds the exhaust on and fix that up, because since I put that new flex joint on the other side, it's flexy, so the pipe moves now, it's getting in the way of the clutch, so I need to undo that U bolt, the U clamp, shift the pipe over, do it up, but I need to get all this off to get in there. So let's time lapse it and throw some music on it. Cradle, but now with the new flex pipe, like I explained, it moves, so it's stopping the clutch arm over there from the clutch pedal. I'll recreate the movement. The clutch arm is basically hitting the pipe and not allowing me to press the pedal all the way down to engage the clutch brake. So I keep moving it over, but it keeps moving back, so I put this horseshoe clamp on there with the actual clamp. I'll just tighten that up, which you would have just saw, and now I've got to lever it up and get the two bolts back in the top to hold it, and hopefully it's out of the way of the fucking clutch. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Righto, we just gotten off the M4. Prospect Highway we are. Gonna do a delivery in Wetherill Park. Got ourselves a little party bus on. Too much. Might stop and get a coffee on the way through Wetherill Park. Ooh. See if we can park anywhere when we get there, but for now we just cruise through here. Make a bit of noise. Egg and bacon pie, gotta love them. This is what we're dealing with here. We've got the party bus on the back of the big rig. So we're gonna unchain her. Unchain it, put the ramps down and back her off. We've got our second load on for the day. We are currently oversized. Ramps are on and yeah, flags are on, signs are on. We've got a big load on here. So we're gonna run it down. Well, we're gonna run it down to the city somewhere, and maybe run some head cam like the other stuff, because everyone loves good old head cam. So let's run that. Yeah. People have been asking me to do a tutorial on this old 18 speed. There's plenty of them around. I don't know if I'll do one, but I might just run through them nice and slow. See if you can count them. Why don't you count them while I change them, and see if you know what's going on. And then maybe in the future I'll do one, but as for right now, we'll just look out the window.
5 minutes later.
Hallelujah! Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Everyone loves a good wave. I don't have enough mana in me today to be throwing them out to people, so maybe another day. Banana bread here. Get these windows up just to help with the noise a little bit. Down a pool here. bit of this and a bit of that. How are you?
How's that big load going?
Not bad, eh?
Tell me where you're going up.
Parramatta Road somewhere.
Oh, yuck.
Yeah, right.
Oh, just down that road.
Nah, we'll be right, mate. A big truck on the big jobs.
Go with that truck, go with.
You take it easy, mate.
Yeah, right.
Big Jake. Do it. So I hung up on the, there it is, hung up on the revs there because still got the jakes on. Obviously if I let my foot off too far, the jakes come on, which is not ideal. Ideally I'd like to get around this bloke, but something tells me that I'll just cruise along behind him and we'll be just fine. Yeah, banana bread coming at ya. Hello. Fucking clowns, eh? I got plenty of time to stop because I'm aware. He come out of the servo. Anyone that knows this part of Richmond Road, that left lane is a overtaken lane to move across, so kind of knew it was going to happen, but it just doesn't make life any fucking easier. Get the fan on. Got a bad earth problem, so you see this gauge. Oh yeah, with the lights off, there's no power, so she's, I call it 90 degrees. A bit over 100 when there's some power going through it, but is that clutch brake not working? Second. Full gear to third, full gear to fourth, full gear to fifth, full gear to sixth. Alright, I'm going to start splitting them now. Split it nice and early. The fan's on, so that'll be helping rip the RPM down on the gear changes, so you can our deliveries are done. We just got to go home now, and I don't have much battery left on this, so it's just gonna have to. It is Wednesday, my dudes. We are on our way to go swap trailers and go start a job. So let's get rolling and do all of that. And now we've got to stop at a red light in the rain. Downhill. This trailer likes to skid, and we're not stopping, and the trailer's sideways. Very easy on the brake pedal, and the trailer's sideways. I love it. Well, if I wasn't wet before, I'm wet now. She's loaded. That's a thumbnail right there. Anyway, she's loaded, got the signs on. Don't even come at me about the scratches, I polish it, so I'll deal with it. But we're loaded, and we are ready to go. It's wet, I'm wet, my jumper's wet, my jacket's wet, my vest is wet, my work shirt's wet, my pants are wet, inside the truck's wet. It's just one of them days. Thursday morning in the early AM. We're running up to Newcastle, so let's stick out the window and have a listen to this big girl in this cold morning fresh air. Oh, she loves it. We're back with the Venga bus. We dropped it off the other day. We just picked it up. We're about to load it up, so I reckon we'll just time lapse him on the top of here and get it done. As easy as that, the big bus is on. We'll chain it down and make some noise, I reckon. Get the fuck out of here. Well, there it is. Bit of an uneventful end to the week, but it has been pretty full on. We've done a bit. Done a bit this week. She's parked at home. We're going away for the weekend, so pretty sure this ain't get washed today. It'll get washed on Sunday. I don't know when I'll get a chance to do this video, but this is pretty much the end of it. So we'll see how keen I get to wash it. I've got to service it as well at some point between now and the next time I actually work it. So I'll probably try and throw that in here, maybe time lapse it somehow, throw some music on it, but we'll see how that works out. But for now, she is an absolute mess. Look at it. She's an absolute mess. Oh, that's a work truck for you. Absolute mess. For now, see you later.